everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a glam living room tour. We are about to do some exciting things, guys, in this living room. So I thought I'd share with you how it looks right now. I hope you enjoy. This particular night I was filming, guys, I had cleaned the entire house. So I like to start with a scented candle. And Miss Bella Boo here is assisting me on her new TK Maxx Australia doggy bed. To start with, this is my electric flame effect mantle from eBay. Then I have to the left some candles in some lanterns from Pillow Talk Australia. And here is a closer look at adorable Bella's little bed from TK Maxx. To the left of her little bed, guys, is my chase. Now this is actually a massage chair, and I always put my little turquoise mermaid throw on there, as well as this cute little Audrey bubblegum cushion. I have some TK Maxx Australia flowers, as well as this little tic-tac-toe game from Pillow Talk Australia on these little white tables. Then on either side of my television, guys, I have these fantastic furniture bookshelves. Now these were just $39 each, and I took my Dalmatian print stencil and I did the stencil to the back of the bookshelves. I love how the Dalmatian print goes so well with all the decorative pieces I put on each shelf, and I love how the pops of colour contrast with that. On top of my mantle, I have these decorative white flowers from TK Maxx. As well as on my fetch box, I have my Louis Vuitton book. Then on the opposite bookshelf, I have more decorative pieces, majority again from TK Maxx Australia. And I absolutely love my adorable little pink telephone, which was a gift from my sweet friend Betsy Ann here on YouTube, and I believe she got that from Home Goods. My Christian Dior coffee table book is a recent purchase from Amazon. And my favourite little piece at the moment is this blush pink ottoman that I got from another favourite store of mine, Early Settler Furniture. Also in my living room, I have this little thrift store find. It was a little nightstand that I gave a little turquoise makeover. On top, I have a little tray, a little picture of Bella in a frame from TK Maxx, as well as this vase and little black and white jar. To the right-hand side of the room, you may recognise my egg chair. I constantly upload pictures of this on Instagram. And it was from Kmart Australia about 2 years ago. And above the egg chair is my DIY floral perfume bottle. Now, if you'd like to see how I made this, I'll leave a link to that video down below. Then to the left of the chair is my latest purchase from TK Maxx Australia, these absolutely beautiful angel wings canvas. Inside the egg chair, I have a few decorative throw pillows and one of Marilyn Monroe, which I picked up from eBay. And the cute little pom-pom throw there is from Big W Australia. Now behind my lounge, guys, I have an 1825 Interiors white side table, and I've added 2 white lanterns as well as a little tray that I've grouped 3 things together. These adorable little lanterns are from the store Dusk, and I've added some pot puree in there, and it smells absolutely gorgeous, guys, as well as these little decorative white owls. Now, Miss Bella Boo wasn't having her new doggy bed and decided that she'd go on my beautiful fake throw and nibble on a treat while I filmed. Now, my turquoise rug is from the Reject Shop, and the zebra print one is from Pillow Talk Australia. On my coffee table, guys, I have grouped 3 things together on this gold mirrored tray from TK Maxx. I've took a Kmart vase with some Reject Shop flowers, as well as these marble coasters and sphere, also from TK Maxx. The main pop of colour that I use in my home, guys, tends to be turquoise. Here on my pool table, I've put this home sign, which is from Big W Australia. And the buffet here, guys, was also a thrift store find that I painted turquoise with a Dalmatian print top. And the Chase Your Dream sign is also from 1825 Interiors. I also have this little table from Fantastic Furniture, and I actually painted the drawer turquoise to match my decor. And I absolutely love my little Kmart Australia turquoise radio sitting on my Kmart mirror. So guys, I have some very exciting news for you. My husband and I are going to be taking on a little renovation in this living room. I'm going to be taking you along with me as we transform it. Don't worry, it's definitely still going to have a glam touch, but I'm looking forward to a new transformation. I added to my couch these adorable cushions from my sweet friend Home of Lady Water on Instagram. I'll leave a link to her Instagram account down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing any of these cushions. And here is Miss Bella, all nice and cozy and sound asleep. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and tap that notification bell, because over the next few weeks, guys, you will see a complete transformation of this living room. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to decorate your glam living room this weekend. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.